Hello and welcome to another Microsoft Excel for Accounting tutorial on how to make a schedule of cost of goods template. So we're going to start off by, you should open your templates.excel, which hopefully you have saved at the root of your accounting folder. Then we're going to add a worksheet, and I'm going to name it Schedule of Cost of Goods, and I gotta call mine 2 because I already got one. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna look at it, and it shows that you need 4 columns. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by merging and centering 4, merge and center 4, and then merge and center 4. And I'm just going to grab these, and I'm going to go Control C. And you, on the other hand, are going to have to pause the video at this point and type these out after you've merged and centered 4. All right, now that you've got the title in, I'm just going to copy these, Control C, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to enter Control V. I'm going to make it fit. And again, you're going to pause the video and you're going to type these in. All right, so now we're going to put in our example section here. So because I copied it, it's already got one. So I'm going to go Edit Comment. You would go Insert Comment, and this one needs to be on page 296. This is where your example is. And now, this one's a bit complicated in that where stuff goes. So what I'm going to do to make our lives easier is we're going to enter a ton of comments. So I'm just going to go Insert Comment here. And it says Henry Verbeek, and I'm going to say enter here. So we know that merchandising inventory for the month, and then add purchases, right click, insert comment, enter here, and then right click, insert comment, and I'm going to say enter here. I'm going to probably be doing that a lot, so I'm just going to copy that, and then I'm going to go right click, insert comment, and enter here. So it's just the purchases and purchase discounts that go in the very first column. This should be indented so that you know it's less as well. So we're going to move to the indent, and I'm going to indent it a couple times until the purchases are even. Then we're going to add up these two, and we're going to place it here. So I'm going to go right click, insert comment, and I'm going to say total of less. So in fact, we could go auto sum and drag those two right away. That would help us. Then my net purchase cost is right here. Right click, insert comment. Right click, insert comment, but I'll hit edit comment because I already got it in. Then transportation in goes again in the same row. Right click, insert comment, paste that. And cost of merchandising purchased, that goes in the final row. So we're going to go insert comment, enter here, and then all the rest go down here. So right click, insert comment, enter here, right click, insert comment, enter here, and right click, insert comment, and enter here. Now, where do the lines go? The lines go underneath the total, the two last ones. So we're going to put a line underneath. Then there's a line right beside it. There's a line underneath. Then there's a line under transportation in. Then there's a line under total cost. And then there's a line under less the merchandising inventory from the next month. And then there's a double solid line at the bottom. And that is how you make a schedule of cost of goods. Thanks for watching.